Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about example programs in C. So here some programs are given. Okay, so the first program is C program to check whether the given integer is positive or negative. So you need to check the given integer is positive integer or negative integer by writing C program. We all know that if the given number is greater than 0, okay, if the given number is greater than 0, that will be a positive integer, okay, that will be a positive number. When the given number is less than 0, that means the given number is negative value, okay. So let's see the program. Here the program starts with preprocessor directives. Those are header files, #include stdio.h. Next, main. Here I am taking one variable, that is integer variable. I already discussed how to declare variables. Data type, variable name. So here data type is int, variable name is num. So whenever you declare, the memory is allocated for num variable. Okay, this memory location is used to store only integer value because here the data type is int. Okay, next, printf statement. Printf statement is used to print the string or information. So here the information is enter a number. Scanf is used to read the data from user. So whatever the given number is stored in number, okay, that is in this location. For suppose if the user given number is 11, okay, then it checks if, okay, if is a condition, if num, so here num is containing 11 greater than or greater than 0. Is it true? 11 greater than 0? Yes. So it prints %d, that means number. Okay, 11 is a positive number. Okay, so for suppose if the given number is -5, okay, so num stores -5. So here enter a number, the given number is -5. It checks num greater than 0. So num is -5 greater than 0. Is it true? Is it true? No, it is false. Then this condition is false. Else, if number less than 0, so -5 less than 0. Is it true? Yes, it is. So -5 is a negative number. Okay. For suppose if user given value is 0, okay, so 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay, so that's why, so first here it checks number greater than 0. Okay, so here the given number is 0 greater than 0. Is it true? No. 0 less than 0. Is it true? No. Else it prints 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, so in this way we can find out the given number is positive or negative. Okay, so let's see the example output. So first the user given number is 0, so 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, the user given -3 is a negative number. Next, 100 is a positive number. So in this way the program is executed. Okay, let's see one more example. C program to add two numbers. Okay, so first we need to add two numbers, so that's why we need two variables. Okay, so here 1, here 2. One is used to store one variable and another is used to store one integer value. Okay, so we need to add these two and store in one more variable, that is third variable. So we need three variables first. So that's why here I am taking num1, num2 and add. So these three are integer variables. Okay, so here add two numbers. Numbers means integer data type. Okay, so that's why I am taking int data type. So first I am asking enter any two values. Okay, so those two values are stored in num1, num2. Okay, so this is num1, this is num2. So here 10 and here 20. Okay, so those are user given values. Next we have taken one more variable, that is add. Okay, add is equals to num1, that is 10, plus num2, that is 20. So total 30. So 30 is stored in add. Next printf sum of 10 and 20 is, so num1 containing 10, num2 containing 20, add containing 30. So sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Okay, I hope it is clear. So here we taken three variables. So first we added two variables and then we stored in another variable. Okay, let's see one more example. C program to compare two numbers. Okay, so here also we need two variables. So one is used to store one value and another is used to store one value. So here value is 10 and here value is 19. Okay, so comparing two numbers, first we need to check whether 10 is greater than 19. Okay, if it is true, then 10 is large number. Okay, so here 10 is not greater than 19. Okay, next we need to check 19 is greater than 10. Is it true? Yes. If the both numbers are, so here 10 and here also 10. 10 greater than 10? No. 10 less than 10? No. So 10 equals to 10. This is right. Okay. So let's see the program. First we take in two integers, those are num1 and num2. Okay. Next we are reading the data from the user. Enter two numbers. One is stored in this variable and another is stored in this variable, 5 and 6. Next, if num1 greater than num2, 5 greater than 6. If num1 greater than num2, then maximum is 5. But in this case, num1 is not greater than num2. 5 is not greater than 6. So this condition is not executed. Then printf %d maximum is num2. So 6 is the maximum. So if the condition is false, then another printf statement is executed. Okay, so again it checks the condition. Num2 value is 6 greater than 5. Yes, it is true. So the maximum value is 6. Okay, num2. If in case the num1 value is 6 and num2 value is 6. So first it checks 6 greater than 6. No. And again it checks 6 greater than 6. So it is also not possible. Again it checks 6 equals to 6. Num1 equals to num2. If it is true, then both are equal. So in this way we can compare two numbers and display the output. Okay, you can try compare three numbers. Okay, I hope it is clear. Example programs in C. So if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.